Question number 1. Liam deposited $15,000 into an investment account with an annual interest rate of 2.15% compounded semi-annually. Using this formula, about how much money will he have in his account after 6 years? So we each need to identify each variable. So S is what we're trying to find. It's how much money he's going to have in his account after 6 years. So obviously S is going to be one of these 4 choices. Next up is P. So the P variable is the initial investment. So that's $15,000. Our next variable mentioned in this formula is R. That is our interest rate, which, remember, before we put it into the formula, we need to divide it by 100. So actually R is 0.0215. M, here in both places, this comes from the fact that it's compounded semi-annually. M represents how many times per year was the interest compounded. So if it's compounded semi-annually, that means it's compounded 2 times a year. And then finally, the T variable is just 6. Okay, so now we're going to take all this and set it up and use the calculator to solve this one. So 15,000 is my P variable. 1 plus 0.0215 divided by 2, all raised to the 2 times 6 power. Strongly encourage to get a graphing calculator to do this. You can find these usually for free online or even on your phone from the App Store. But the reason why I like this is typing in the fraction is where a lot of students make a mistake. And this graphing calculator has a fraction template. If you go to that green alpha key and then y equals, you choose number 1. It gives you a nice, neat fraction template, and you're less likely to make a mistake. Otherwise, students make a mistake just typing this in the calculator all the time. It's probably the most common mistake on a problem like this. Type it in, we get $17,053, which we can see from the answer choices is D.